In this video, we'll demonstrate the installation and removal of an SEW-EURODRIVE X.e Series gearbox equipped with the patented TorqLOC hollow shaft connection. This example shows a real coal belt conveyor application and follows SEW's recommended procedures to ensure safe operation, reliable torque transmission, and lasting performance. TorqLOC is SEW-EURODRIVE's patented keyless hollow shaft mounting system. It has proven its worth in thousands of gear unit installations around the world. It is a simple, reliable, and intelligent way of connecting the hollow shaft gear unit with the customer's machine shaft that doesn't require keyways or tight tolerances and is just as easy to remove as it is to install. TorqLOC works in a similar way to conventional shrink disc connections. In addition to the gearbox hollow shaft, the system consists of a shrink disc and two conical bushings that are mounted in both sides of the gearbox hollow shaft. An optional stop ring can serve as a customer shaft shoulder. This design allows for high torque capacity, precise concentricity, fast installation, and easy removal, all while protecting the customer shaft from damage. TorqLOC allows customer shafts to have a more forgiving diameter tolerance. Additionally, the same gearbox can be used on customer shafts of differing diameters with a simple bushing change. Before installation or removal, take time to familiarize yourself with the proper steps in SEW's assembly and operating instructions. Identify the gearbox size by its nameplate. The housing size will determine some of the tool sizes and the optional stopping ring tightening torque. Ensure the customer shaft is dimensioned per the SEW drawing. Gather the necessary tools and cleaning supplies. Always adhere to proper safety protocol. Safety glasses and hard-toe shoes are recommended. Observe lockout-tagout procedures to reduce risk of injury. Use the proper tools, including a calibrated torque wrench, and always follow SEW tightening sequences. Never tighten the shrink disc unless the gearbox is installed on the customer shaft, as the shrink disc can over-tighten and deform the gearbox hollow shaft. Now, let's navigate to SEW-EURODRIVE's website to find the current X.e Series TorqLOC operating instruction documents through the online support portal. To begin installation, ensure the shrink disc protection cover and shrink disc are removed from the gearbox. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the mating surfaces. This includes the customer shaft, shrink disc, bushings, and gearbox hollow shaft. Removing any oil, grease, or rust preventative will promote an ideal frictional connection between the gearbox and the customer shaft. Step 2. Place the optional stop ring and the customer side bushing on the customer shaft in the correct position. The customer side bushing will not have the stepped lip of the shrink disc bushing. Step 3. Apply SEW-approved NOCO food-grade lubricant paste evenly to the customer side bushing and spread it thoroughly. A brush is recommended. Do not apply NOCO paste anywhere else. Step 4. Carefully rig and lift the gearbox so it can be slid onto the customer shaft until it contacts the customer shaft shoulder or the optional stop ring. Use a level on both the customer shaft and gearbox and adjust accordingly. This will help eliminate common misalignment issues during this step. Check that the customer shaft does not protrude too far through the shrink disc side of the gearbox. This ensures the shrink disc protection cover can be installed. If using the optional stop ring, push it against the customer bushing and use a torque wrench to achieve the proper tightening torque. Now is a good time to loosely connect your gearbox housing. This should be either via torque arm or foot mounting. Do not tighten these mounting bolts now, as it will constrain the system. Step 5. With the shrink disc bolts loosened, slide the shrink disc on the gearbox hollow shaft. Align and position the inner and outer rings of the shrink disc according to the Dimension A table found in the assembly and operating instructions. Insert the shrink disc bushing, also called a counter bushing, between the gearbox hollow shaft and customer shaft. Lightly tap the flat side of the shrink disc bushing with a non-marring mallet to ensure it is fitted securely. Step 6. Manually tighten the shrink disc bolts in a clockwise sequence. Do not use a star pattern. Only tighten each bolt about 1/4 turn at a time. Use several clockwise passes until the shrink disc inner ring becomes flush with the outer ring. You should have some gap between the shaft shoulder, or optional stop ring, and the customer side hollow shaft end. You should also have some gap between the shrink disc bushing and the shrink disc side hollow shaft end. This ensures the tapered bushings are seated and the customer shaft is an acceptable diameter. Inspect the X.e Series TorqLOC assembly. Finally, install the shrink disc protection cover and tighten the gearbox mounting bolts. Before removal, ensure you are familiar with the proper steps and have the correct tools. Always practice good safety procedures. Have the gearbox properly rigged before removing it from the customer shaft. To remove the gearbox, begin by loosening the gearbox mounting bolts. This should be either bolts for torque arm mounting or foot mounting. Next, remove the shrink disc protection cover as previously shown. Remove the shrink disc by manually loosening the bolts in a clockwise sequence, 1/4 turn at a time. Once the clamping force is released, remove the shrink disc bushing and shrink disc. If the shrink disc bushing is locked, you may use a puller for disassembly. If present, loosen the stop ring, then slide the gearbox off the customer shaft. TorqLOC allows removal without pulling, heating, or damaging the shaft. Before reinstallation, clean and lubricate the TorqLOC components as specified. You may reinstall the gearbox following the same procedure shown previously. Simply swap the bushings to adapt to a customer shaft with a differing diameter. TorqLOC provides a reliable, service-friendly connection for SEW gear units, making installation and removal fast, precise, and repeatable. For detailed specifications, always refer to the official SEW-EURODRIVE operating instructions. Please do not hesitate to contact your local SEW service team. We are happy to help you. Together, we are driving the world.